Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will see how to create end card for YouTube or any other video. End cards are also known as intro or end slate or end screen. What is end card? End card is basically a feature that can be played at the end of the video. End cards are used to promote channels, websites or playlist, or simply to show some messages like, hey, thanks for watching the video, or subscribe for more videos, or you know what, one video daily in my channel. Messages like this. This is important because viewers do remember what they watch at the end. End cards can be created using Canva. For those people who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool and it's a free software and can be downloaded from canva.com and it can be used. Let us jump into the video. Let's go guys. So let us go to canva.com. If you have already got an account, you can just log in. Otherwise you have to sign up and create an account. I have already got an account, so I have logged in. I am just click on create a design and go to video 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click on that. So you will land in a page like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create an end card using an already existing card. So you can go here and search for YouTube end card and you get a lot of templates available. You can choose whichever you like and you can change them. So there are plenty of them with different colors, different pictures, different purpose. Just you can see whatever. So I am choosing this one. When I click that, it comes to the right hand side and all the elements here are editable. You can change the font color as you like it. So there is a picture I am going to remove here and put mine. I am deleting it. So to add a picture, you can go to uploads and click on upload media. It will take you to your local drive and you can bring the picture you want to upload to Canva from your local drive. So I am just going here and I am choosing one of the pictures. Right, so let me pick this up. I have brought this up. So it's getting uploaded. Right, now this picture has come. Now I can click on that. The picture will come here. I can simply add. I can remove the stuff and I can add my picture. Yeah, wherever you want as appropriate. This is fine. Then I'm just going to move this little up. Thanks for watching and I'm going to change the website as www.thisisserver.com and it is too small, so I'm going to make it little bigger. So let us increase the font size. So right, so I'm just dragging this on the side so it comes in one line. This is perfectly fine and this also looks too small, so I'm just changing the size. I can change the color also. If I click on this, the colors will come. So if you want to put some dark brown and you can put, if you want to make it bold, you can click on bold, it becomes bold. Please click subscribe, like, comment and turn on notification. It's what written. If you want to change any of them, you can double click and change the text. If you want to change the color of any element there, you have to just click on that and go here to the square box. Click on that. It will show you different colors. You can choose anything from there. Suppose if I want to change to a darker color, I have moved like this. And if I want to change this color, I am choosing this and clicking on here and just scrolling down and I'm just choosing which one will look better. No, it's not okay. This is slightly better. I can leave it there. Right, so now I'm going to make this size slightly bigger. Right, yeah. I'm changing this to subscribe for more videos. That is perfectly fine. I'm moving this bit down and keep it at the center. I'm increasing the size. Okay. It's okay. That's it. I can reduce the size this bit just as a design. Then I can have my photo here. Then I can bring it to the center and I can move this little bit. Right. So I'm again increase the size of this font. Then I'm just moving this like, yeah, fine. So I can move it here a little bit. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe now. And this is Sarva, right? And also what I can do, I can add a link for subscribing. So I am moving here a little bit to the left, so that on that right hand side space we will add the YouTube link. It's not difficult. So I'm clicking on that. I'm just bringing this one. I'm selecting this and I'm moving to the left. So there's a circle in the below. So what I do, I have to select both of them and group them. Then if I move, this will move as a single component. I'm keeping it to the right. So what I will do is I'm copying this and I'm pasting it here, and I'm saying channel link. I will say channel link to subscribe. That's what I'm saying. So what I will do is I will reduce the size a bit. Then now what I will do is I will just add my YouTube link. So I'm adding a text here, copying that one from the top, and I have got my link here somewhere. My YouTube coordinates is here. So I will just copy this and I will paste it there. Right, done. So my link has come here. So what I will do, I will reduce the size of this bit selected, and I am reducing so that it comes in one line. So what I can do is I can remove this link to subscribe, and I can move the subscribe now, and nearby that I can keep this link so people know that to subscribe. This is the link. This looks nice. Now this is Sarva. I will bring it to the center, and also I can increase the size of this font a little more. Right. So then I can drag a little bit so that it comes in single line. Okay, now if you want to do any animation, you can click on the animate button on the top. So there are various options: basic, scale, exaggerate, photo movement, slide in, slide out. There are multiple options. We will try one by one and see how it works. So I am clicking on rise. So you see that how the fonts are coming. So from the top, one by one it is coming. Next I'm just keeping my mouse on pan, so it will show how it will behave if you select this animation. So pan, how it looks, you saw that one. Now I'm keeping it on fade, so you can see various options are there. Similarly, photo flow, I'm clicking, it's coming like that. Then slide in, slide out, it's like this. So when I click on that, it is like this. When I click on breathe, it is like that. Okay. Then when let us try exaggerate, I'm clicking on tumble. You know what? It's like a thriller movie. I'm clicking on block. So this is a bit dynamic. When I click on neon, So it's blinking and coming. So you guys, you can just try these combinations and see which one is suitable for you, and accordingly you can see. So photo flow is like that, photo raise is like that, photo zoom is like this. So slide in, slide out, we'll see. Raise, it's like that. Pan, it's like that. Okay, so we can choose something very simple. Let us see rise. Okay, let us see breathe. Alright, so I have selected breathe one. This is okay for me, it's nice. What I'm going to do is I'm clicking on this edit timing 5 seconds. So the minimum here and the maximum is 30 seconds. So I'm keeping it at approximately 10 seconds. I'm happy with that. So if you want to add an audio file, you can go to the audio on the left hand side and choose the audio you like to. I'm just clicking on this one and it has come here. Now if you play and see how it sounds, along with the display, the audio also will be played. Right, so if you want to adjust the audio, if you want to shrink it and leave it and play. If you want to increase it, of course you can just increase to the length of the video. As we saw earlier, you can keep it up to this. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to save this file to the Canva folder, and also I'm going to download this, and I'm going to download this as a MP4 format. There are other options available: PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, and SVG, and also GIF. I'm going with the MP4 video as suggested, and I'm clicking on download button. It is getting downloaded. We'll go to downloads folder and refresh the folder. It's not yet downloaded in full. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now click on this and let us see how it's like this. Now, initially in the template we searched for YouTube end card. Now we will search for YouTube outro. This also will give you a lot of options to make end screen, right? So you can scroll around and choose whatever you want and customize as we did just now, right? So there are very interesting things are there. Now you can see. That's it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you want to get notification whenever I produce my next video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.